Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, Zach here with Unreal Adventures. Today I'm going to be doing another look over the mystery tackle box. This is going to be the 2 out of 3. I ordered a 3-month subscription, so this is the second box review. Before we get into that though, I want to show you guys something. I haven't posted in a few days. I've been down in the great state of Texas, down around Austin, got to do some really cool things, hang out with some cool people. Did go to a flea market, picked up this bad boy right here. This is a Lew's MCS speed spool. I actually used one of these personally. Like, this is I had one before I got this one. I really enjoy it. It's a great reel. It's about $100 bucks. I think maybe $89.99 in that range. Anyways, this one is brand spanking new. I found it at a vendor down there. 40 bucks. Super excited about that. These things are amazing. I'll probably link them in the bio so you guys can check them out. Maybe get one for yourself. Like I said, excellent, excellent reel. Without further ado, let's get to the main event, the tackle box this month. Let me open her up here. I haven't been inside this one yet, so. Okay. Okay. Upon first glance, let's go here. What do we got? Looks like we got some bullet weights. Most everyone knows what bullet weights are for. Soft plastics, you know, guys. Great stuff. I've been fishing a lot of soft plastics lately. I don't know why. I've just been on this huge kick. So these will come in handy for me. 1/8. It's a 3-pack, 1/8 ounce. Very streamlined. They look like they're going to work pretty well. Obviously, there's probably something in the box that couples with these. So let's take a look and see what else is in here. Okay, so first thing that's catching my eye. This is going to be what couples with those. This is the Bama stick. Oh yeah, guys, these are. Let's see here. What color are these? Wakasagi. That's Japanese, I believe, and I don't speak Japanese, so I don't know what that means, but Wakasagi color. I'll let you guys take a look at that. They're like a, I don't know, like a greenish and black color with some glitters. Pretty nice. I'm actually going to take these out tomorrow and use them because they look pretty cool. These would couple with that, with the bullet weights there. Anyways, 5 pieces here. On the corner it says eatable soft lures. I don't know about you, I probably wouldn't eat them, but they are injected with real scent mackerel flavor. So if you're a big fan of mackerel, they're eatable. Check them out. Not for me, but maybe. I know the fish will probably like them, so. Anyways, moving on. What do we got here? Okay. Looking like we got the buzzbait. That is awesome, guys. I felt like they missed the mark last month. This is the August box. The July box did not have a topwater or a buzzbait or anything. And, you know, the dead of summer is the best time to use buzzbaits and topwater lures. So I was a little upset. I know that they rotate the stuff that they send and not every single box is the same every month. But I feel like every box should have a topwater in it. At least for, you know, July and August, maybe even September. That's okay, though. We got it this month, got the buzzbait, super nice. I love throwing these in shallow water, 2 to 5 foot, around, you know, like grassy weed lines and stuff like that. There's a creek that I fish that I know the bass are gonna love chewing on this bad boy. So I'm gonna use this for sure. Okay, let's move on down the line. Okay, this is very interesting, guys. I'll let you get a look at that. These are called Big O's Game Changer, and it is the Eliminator. It's kind of like a creature bait, guys. The more I look at it, the more it really just resembles a tadpole to me, which is very interesting. Maybe like a legless lizard, basically, is what it looks like. They are green. They have some speckles in them, you know, a little glitter or something. Very interesting. I've actually never used anything quite like this, so I'm going to give that a shot. But yeah, it's just kind of a tadpole bait. These will also couple with those bullet weights. I don't see any hooks in there. I don't see any like swim bait hooks or any soft plastic hooks. But that's okay. They're really cheap at the store anyways, and I have way more than I could probably ever use in 100 lifetimes, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay, let's see. One more. What do we got here? Oh, they did it. We got another topwater. That's awesome. This is going to work great. This is actually what they call a popper, guys. I don't know if you can see the face there. I don't know if you ever used one, but it's got this little like concave face. And you literally just pop it, smacks the water. It's got dual trebles on it. And those fish, you know, they just blow up. They love eating those topwater poppers. This is a really interesting color, guys. It is has red eyes. It's almost like a nude skin color, like it's almost just. I mean, I'm a little tan, but you know, if you were like super white or light skinned, that's what it looks like. It's got a little green on there as well. Pretty interesting. I'm definitely gonna try it out. Looks great. So I would say, all in all, this month, guys, I'm pretty impressed with the box. Now, what we haven't seen yet is the main event of the entire box, which is obviously, you guessed it, the sticker. Stickers are the best part of the box. I love them. I think they're hilarious every month. This one, I don't know if you can see there, is Catchco. It's little fish designed like the Rock'em Sock'em robots. That's so sweet. Definitely gonna have to put that into the collection. So that's the box for this month, guys. I was pretty impressed. I thought everything looked, you know, pretty quality. I'm gonna catch some fish on them for sure. I'll probably get a video real soon of me using some of these baits, so stay tuned for that. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe. You can follow along on Instagram at _real, REEL _adventures. And like always, guys, it's a good day to fish.